Hey guys, today I'll show you how to set up PetroSky VPS so that you can start self-hosting your favorite web applications like WordPress, Nextcloud, or maybe VPNs. So let's get started. Go to PetroSky. There is a link on the description down below. It is an affiliate link, and go to pricing and we will set up a Pro VPS. Then we'll just use the basic one. So they have ECC ROM. So just click order now. Okay, so here we will configure our VPS. So you can get discounts for quarterly up to annually. And we will just use our free IPv4. We will not add one. And for backup, if you are new to your VPS, I suggest you enable this one. But I will just use disable. And for operating system, you can use whatever OS you want to use as long as your web apps are compatible with the operating system. So I usually go to Debian and I will choose the latest one, Debian 13. And okay, they have good speed to Gbps, and if you want 10 Gbps, you can choose this one, but you'll have to pay for 39.99 euros. So I'll stick to 2 Gbps. And for the server location, I will use North America. So if you have your audience in the US, Canada, choose North America. Or if you have the audience in Europe, just choose Europe. And for additional storage space, you can choose up to 300 gigabyte. So will not add a storage space, but eventually in the near future, if your web projects or the web apps need more resources, you can just add more storage space. And once you have finished everything, you can just click add to cart. Then we'll check out our VPS. I'll just use my Google account to sign up with PetroSky VPS. And let's verify our email address. Okay, I'll just quickly verify this one. Let's go back to client area. Then let's view our cart. Then we'll proceed to check out. Okay, and for the payment method, I'll choose PayPal. You can choose crypto or card. For PayPal, we will just click pay with PayPal first. Okay, we'll just pay now. And just click place order. Okay, our purchase has been confirmed. And we will continue to client area. Then we have here services. So as you can see here, our VPS is active, but this still needs time to set up on their end. So we'll wait for a few minutes. So now our VPS is completely set up. So we'll just click manage, and you can see here the list of the service management. So you can start, you can reboot, you can stop your VPS anytime. So you have the full control. And if you want to change the root password, and by the way, your root password is sent to you in your email. So be sure to check your email. And these are backups. So I suggest you create snapshots of your VPS so that if something happens, you can just store it using the snapshot. And here is our IP address. And if you want an IPv6, just contact their support and open a ticket. And tell them that you need an IPv6. Then to log into your VPS, you need an SSH client called Bitwise or PetroSky maybe. So Bitwise is free. So let's open our Bitwise. And here you can go to login. And for the host, paste your IPv4 here. Use port 22. And for more secure login, can use SSH keys. And if you don't know how to use that or to create one, I have a tutorial for that on this channel. So just click login, accept and save, and enter your root password. And okay, click new terminal console, and you are now connected to your VPS. So now here, you can start installing your favorite web applications, and be sure to update your server like apt update. And just hit enter to update your VPS. So my VPS is updated. So I will be installing yet another bench script for you to see the benchmark. Okay, I'll paste it here and we will wait for it to finish benchmarking. Okay, so our YABS has finished benchmarking our VPS, and this is the benchmark results. And I will put this link for you to check the full test. So that's it. This is how to set up a VPS on PetroSky. So if you have any questions, just comment them down. I'll try to answer them all. If this video helped you in any way, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.